Alright, so first let's go to the pandas.Dataframe.tail documentation. So what does it do? It returns the last n rows. This function returns the last n rows from the object based on position. It is useful for quickly verifying data. Alright, so let's start with an example. So we're going to create a quick data frame. So data frame is pd data frame. So first we gotta import data frame. Import pandas as pd. Gonna create a data frame. Data frame is pandas data frame. Gonna create a dict, so it starts with animal. Animal, then we have a small list. Alligator, bee, falcon, lion, monkey, parrot, shark, whale, and zebra. Alright, so df looks like this, and we can view with using pandas dataframe tail, we can just view the last 5 rows. Oh, sorry, tail. So we see monkey, parrot, shark, whale, zebra. It takes an optional argument, n, which is the number of rows to select. So it can also type tf tail and is 1, or n is 2. And if we take n is 0, it actually returns the data frame. So this is actually a data frame. Because we can look, if we go to the source code, we see what happens. Here we see if n is 0, returns self location 0, 0, so it returns the location 0, 0. So that's the same as df log 0, 0. I log, sorry. But you'll rarely use those.